Welcome to the SourceGeek Onboarding tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to update your operational hours and set daily outreach limits. First, click on Settings, then select Outreach. Here you'll find two key sections, Operational Hours and Max Daily Outreach. In the Operational Hours section, you can define the days and times when your campaigns are active. For each day of the week, set a start time and an end time. Or mark the day as closed if you don't want campaigns to run. Don't forget to click Save after making changes. Next, in the Max Daily Outreach section, you can set the maximum number of connection requests, messages, or in-mails the platform will send each day. Adjust the slider to the limit that works best for your team and click Save to confirm. You can also check your current operational hours and daily limits anytime in the Account Overview panel, along with other LinkedIn session details. That's it! You've successfully customized your campaign schedule and daily outreach limits in SourceGeek.